Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we are talking about scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. Alright, the basic, the basic definitions of all three things will be linked in the description box. In this video, we are talking about the relationship and the role that these three things play in an economy. We will be assuming two economies. One is one person economy, the other is two-person economy. Alright, first thing is first, regardless of the size of the economy, an economy has to answer what they will be producing, how they will be producing, and when they will be producing the things that they need or want. Let's assume Salman is living in an island all alone. Now, it does seem like it's a dream come true, but that's not the reality. Salman has a lot of choices to make. First thing is first, he still has some scarcities. Time and his skill set are his scarcities. What are scarcities? They are basically your limited resources. Now, see, he has three things. He has to have food, a house, and a relaxation time. Obviously, he needs to sleep and take care of himself, basically. Alright? So, for food, he has two options. First thing is first, I'm going to tell you that if he focuses on food, his house and relaxation is his opportunity cost. If he focuses on house, the other two things are his opportunity cost. And then he has further choices in three things, and he has to decide what he will be opting for. Alright, collecting vegetables or hunting animals. Now let's assume hunting animals is not really a good skill set of Salman. So if he ever chooses hunting animals, he does not have enough time to work on his house or even relax. But if he chooses collecting vegetables, then hunting animals is his opportunity cost, but he does have enough time to go and build his house and relax. All right. So even in the house, he has two choices, either to get a good fancy house or not so fancy house. All right. So whatever he chooses, the other thing is his opportunity cost. And if he goes, I want a big fancy house, then he does not have enough time to get his food and relax. So he has to make choices, and whatever choice he makes, the other thing is his opportunity cost. Now we are looking at an economy with two or more people. As I said, that regardless of the economy or size of the economy, you have to answer three questions. What are you going to produce? How are you going to produce it? And when are you going to produce it? But when there are two people, a few other things arises. So let's assume Salman and Adil are living in an island. So Adil joins Salman in this island. So those things which arises from two people are distribution, cooperation, and specialization. So either Salman and Adil both are going to work at the same thing at the same time. If they are, then it's cooperation. All right. And how are they going to distribute food among themselves? And how are they going to make their living conditions? Like, are they going to have two rooms in a house for each of the individual? Or they are going to have one room, but they will have two separate spaces for both the individuals. All right. So this is distribution. And then comes specialization. It is basically, let's assume Salman says, I'll make a house and I'll focus on house. Adil says, I'll focus on food. So this is specialization. And they are obviously cooperating all through it. They are making maybe even sacrifices and they are working together. So you saw two examples, and they all seemed a bit complicated when you go into the real phases. And right now, we were just talking about one-person economy and two-person economy. The real economy has 6 millions, 7 millions, and I mean millions and billion people. All right. And economists have to manage them. They have to make policies for those people. Now, can you imagine how tough and how nerve wracking it is, right? So, yeah, the main point behind this video is that economy is much more complex than it seems. And that's it for this video. I really hope you got the concept of scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.